Changelly Pro Crypto Exchange Review. My usage experience. Changelly Pro is a feature-rich crypto exchange designed for traders who demand more than basic swapping services. Unlike Changelly's simpler platform, Changelly Pro offers advanced trading tools, competitive fees, and a seamless user experience tailored for both beginners and seasoned traders. One of its standout features is the intuitive interface, perfect for navigating between spot trading, margin trading, and staking options. The platform supports over 200 cryptocurrencies with deep liquidity, making it a reliable choice for trading major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Fees are competitive, with a 0.1% trading fee that gets even lower for high-volume traders. What sets Changelly Pro apart is its non-custodial model, which prioritizes user security by allowing you to maintain control of your funds. Additionally, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and withdrawal whitelists ensure robust security for your assets. For new users, the onboarding process is simple, with quick account verification and fiat-to-crypto options via credit card or bank transfer. However, experienced traders will appreciate its advanced charting tools, powered by TradingView, and access to detailed market data. The mobile app is another highlight. It mirrors the desktop functionality, ensuring that you can trade on the go without missing out on any key features. In my experience, the platform delivers fast transaction speeds and reliable order execution, even during peak trading times. Changelly Pro was built for crypto enthusiasts who want a secure, feature-packed trading environment without sacrificing ease of use. Whether you're executing a simple buy order or setting up a complex trading strategy, it's equipped to handle it all. However, it's not without minor drawbacks. There's currently no futures trading or significant DeFi integrations, which may limit appeal for some users. Overall, my experience with Changelly Pro has been smooth, efficient, and rewarding. It bridges the gap between simplicity and advanced functionality, making it a solid choice for traders at any level. If you value security, a broad range of assets, and a straightforward trading interface, Changelly Pro is worth considering for your crypto portfolio.